Listen to me very carefully. I'm giving you 3 days. 3 days. I need my statue. I need my statue. You don't know me, Alaji fire well. I'll give you 3 days. I need my statue.
Any amount of money that you mention to me, Johnny, I will give it to you guys. And besides, I have the plan of the house, his house, where exactly the statue is, everything concerning his house. I have it on my phone. Because I'm ever prepared for him. Okay. Since he couldn't sell that thing to me. I call that thing. So, I want you guys to go and steal it from me.
Hey.
Yes. So any amount of money that you want, just let me know.
You will take givers.
Hey. Okay. Wow. Any amount, just mention it. I'm ready.
Mr. Man, you go there and you want to buy the statue. And Alaji say that because of the money is too much, you cannot buy. And you want us to go and steal. Secretary.
Boss.
How are you?
I'm good, boss.
Okay. Secretary, today I'm very serious. That guy you brought, you should come and buy my statue. I didn't hear from him.
Boss, why? Boss, I'm pleading with you that you have a little bit patience. Okay?
Late for you. Okay. You know, so that is it. Okay. Instead of to buy and pay, you don't go buy and pay, and you want us to go and steal the statue for you. Hey, you a wicked man,
oh no.
Hey, you a wicked man.
I'm just a business guy, you know. A business guy, you know. When we try business, and if one fails to understand each other, it means something else. Do you understand?
I get your point.
Yes, I went there with money. He didn't take it, so I actually won the thing. So what do you want me to do?
Mr. Man, I get your point, but can I see Alaji, that man is a wicked man. No problem.
We are talking about blood money here. The money you were auctioning for is too huge.
Yeah, I know.
We are talking about $30,000
Dollars. Yes.
It's too much.
What?
So let's give him some time. I am so sure because I did thorough investigation and research about this guy.
Give us $5,000. Don't say anything. $5,000. Simple. We go do the job for you well. Oh, you know go do. I go do am why? If you know go do, why I not go do am? $5,000. You think it is small money?
Sola. You know, as I keep saying, I'm here for good business. $5,000. I will give it to you just like that.
You give it to us,
but I want a clean job.
You know, have problem.
Clean job, perfect job, 100% job. I want everything to be genuine. That is what I will expect from you, because I'm gonna pay you guys. So, if you think it's a done deal, just let me know. I'm free to give you the money.
We will never fail our business before at all since my mother and my father born us. I said if you want us to kill your papa or your mama for you, we go kill them.
So he will surely come back.
Secretary, I mean, I want to go a trip.
You want to go for a trip?
Yeah, I want to go for a trip. You know me, I'm a business man. That's why they call me Alaji Fire. I'm still in Ghana because of him. Why? What's in here with the talk? Massa, even right now you can give us the money, you can give us half. Tomorrow, next, the job we go finish him. My guy. This Alaji, me I think say you don't talk different person, be even minister or MP or you see, That MP and me, they have bodyguards and soldiers and police. It be this Alaji. Like you said that you have the plan of the house.
Yes,
Everything in your phone.
The soft copy is here.
You don't have problem.
I will push
Send
it
it to my phone.
I'll do that.
Eh.
I'll send it to you. You have no problem about this. So I want you to just do a very clean job. Enter the house, go steal the thing, bring it to me. The money is done there.
Boss,
Yeah.
you have talked a lot. But listen to me. We are a business guys.
I understand you
You
guys.
see? So this deal is just a simple. We will do it simple for you. You said we should wait for him. I don't have problem. But okay. We shall wait.
Thank you for waiting.
I'm going to my office. To now. Where do you
I was even just coming because of the same issue.
because of this one. Okay.
So
okay.
then I think we should go together.
Okay. Secretary. Secretary. What have you done? Huh? Where is my statue?
Boss. I have not taken any statue. I didn't steal it.
Hey, Secretary, don't angry me. Huh? If you don't take care, I will call police for you. Huh? You don't know me. Me, Alaji fire. But Bomburu.
Boss, you know, I was just looking for your good.
For who? Good for who?
I know nothing about this. I don't know anything about the mason of this statue.
You plan with that guy to come and steal my statue?
No.
Ha!
You know that I didn't even know this guy. I was just doing this research and I got to know that he used to buy statues. I didn't plan with him.
Hey, listen to me very carefully. I'm giving you 3 days. 3 days. I need my statue. You don't know me, Alaji fire well. I'll give you 3 days. I need my statue.
I was just doing my secretary work. I was just doing a good secretary. Hey. How will I prove to this man that I don't know anything? I need to prove my innocence before I go to jail. Okay. See this guys.
Hey, my boy, your eyes are good though, your eyes are straight. Hey, what a nice, beautiful young lady, attractive. What's up?
Oh, my brother, she not my new catch.
Okay.
Yeah, but I met her at T Junction.
Okay.
And she said she have a big problem. Bro, that's why she's here.
Young, beautiful, attractive lady. You said you have a problem.
Serious.
Oh. So far as you're here, your problem has been solved already. We are the problem solvers.
Yes, of course.
So just tell us. We'll solve it for you. Don't worry. Tell us.
Boss, to be frank, I'm in a serious mess. Serious. I'm a secretary.
Okay.
You know this fire, Alaji fire?
Yeah, that a millionaire man. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes, that man. I am his secretary.
Okay.
I'm here because I want you to solve this problem for me. Because I know that you people are peacemakers.
Yeah.
You know, I used to do some internet deals for my boss. I search for people who are interested in business, then I give them to my boss. They will do their deals and they get their money and they go. And my boss has this statue that he wanted to sell. So as usual, I searched a client on the internet to my boss. He came and that deal wasn't that successful. So he decided to go and come back, prepare and come back for the deal. For all you know, he has brought some people to steal the statue from my boss.
Oh,
Yes. And the saddest aspect of the issue is that my boss thinks I have connived with those people to steal the statue. But to be frank with you, I have no hands with this problem.
Oh, I can see.
I have no hands. So I want to prove it to my boss that I don't have anything to do with those people that came to steal that thing.
Statue.
Okay, so I'm here to seek your help. Just help me out. Agree with me so that you search those people for me. So if just say you agree, and I'll just link you to my boss. You sit down and discuss with him. That's why I'm here.
So is there a problem? The problem has been solved already, like I just said. You just tell Alaji Fire that the mission has been accepted.
Thank you, boss.
You're good.
I really appreciate this.
My beautiful lady, as my brother said, we will help you. So don't worry, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. So, I think you're done.
Yeah, we have done.
Thank you, guys.
Right.
So just
Let me
Throw her.
throw her.
Have a nice day, lady. All right.
Guys,
Alaji.
my secretary, he told me everything. Do you sure that you will bring me my statue back?
Boss, don't worry. Boss, we promise you that we'll bring the statue back to you.
Wow.
I promise you.
Alaji, you know something?
I don't know, tell me.
We have been doing this job a long time. This job is a small job for us.
Yeah.
You understand? So don't worry.
boss, I just want to prove to you that I have no hand in the making of your statue. Okay? So let's keep trusting these peacemakers. I've heard of them. I know what they can do. That is why I went to them. And now they are here. They've agreed to strike this deal. So please, let's keep on trusting them. And I know they can do that for us.
Yes.
Guys,
Boss,
my security cameras captured that guys.
Oh, okay.
okay.
I order my secretary to send that video to him. If you help me bring my statue back, I will give you $1,500.
Alaji,
Do you hear me? I say I will give you $1,500.
amazing. Unbelievable.
Alaji,
Boss.
done deal. I said done deal. I repeat. Respect.
Okay.
My brother,
Redman.
Alaji Fire. How do you think of his mission?
Bedman, you know something?
I'm listening.
Sometimes I don't understand. If you go to buy something and your money no be enough, the best thing you have to do, you have to go back and prepare well and come and buy what you want. Why do you steal the statue? I don't understand. Why do you steal the statue? But what you asked me about Alaji Fire, to me, I think it's a good deal because $1,500 is a huge amount. Ibab.
Bro, good deal, but me, I thought the money is too small because Solar and Iron Body, they are dangerous in this neighborhood. They are not ready to do good things, always bad things.
I know, bro.
So if you said the money is good, it's good. We have to get prepared, face them, and collect the statue as soon as possible. So it's a deal. We can move, bro. We can move straight.
Got you. So let's go.
money. See, at least I had this $5,000 in the massa. Today, I will jump.